So, you are looking for the best detox drinks for weight loss? Detox drinks are one of the most popular tools for weight loss to come around in a long time, and for great reasons. Not only can you drink detox water or detox tea to lose weight, it tastes delicious and helps flush your body of toxins. Make sure you check the experts' recommended ancient detox tea for weight loss. Link is in the description below. Well, in this video, we are going to show you some best detox drinks coming up. Grab a pen and paper, write down all the ingredients required. Ingredients for this DIY mint lemonade: 10 mint leaves, 1 medium-sized cucumber, 1 ginger root, grated, 4 lemons, 2 liters of water. Before we continue the video, please subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming informative videos like this. Directions: cut the cucumber and 1 lemon into thin slices. Juice the other 3 lemons and add water. Add the cucumber and lemon slices, mint leaves, and the ginger to the mixture. Add a tablespoon of stevia for flavor. Stir well and refrigerate for 6 hours. Drink 1 glass before each meal for a month to see the amazing results. Lavender lemonade: 2 teaspoons of dried lavender flowers, 2 lemons, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 cups of water. Directions: extract juice of the 2 lemons and add into the water. Then add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Then add 2 teaspoons of dried lavender flowers to the mixture. Now stir well and refrigerate it for 4 hours. Drink 1 glass before each meal for a month to see the amazing results. Don't forget to check the experts' recommended ancient DIY detox tea. Link is in the description below.